Hi everyone, welcome to Buddha's Life Teachings. Today, we're exploring 5 most powerful and inspirational quotes from the Buddha. These quotes have the potential to change your life. Stick around, because the last one will be the most important one. One particular quote from the Buddha has greatly influenced my life. It changed my perspective on interacting with society. The Buddha said, "Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment." Understanding this quote shifted my approach to life. It taught me the value of mindfulness and living in the present. Dwelling on the past brings regret, and dreaming of the future brings anxiety. But focusing on the present moment brings peace and clarity. Here's a quote from the Buddha that transformed my life. It helped me understand how to interact with the world. The Buddha said, "Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal rule." This quote opened my eyes to the power of love and compassion. It showed me that responding to hate with hate only perpetuates suffering, but responding with love can break the cycle and bring peace. A particular quote from the Buddha has deeply influenced me. It changed how I view my interactions with others. The Buddha said, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without." This quote taught me the importance of inner peace. It made me realize that true peace can't be found in external circumstances. Instead, it must be cultivated within ourselves. Here's a quote from the Buddha that changed my life. It influenced my approach to dealing with others. The Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." This quote made me aware of the power of thoughts. It taught me that my thoughts shape my reality. By cultivating positive thoughts, I can create a positive life. Now, the last one will be the most important one. This quote from the Buddha has significantly impacted my life. It changed my perspective on how to live. The Buddha said, "Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship." It taught me to value health, contentment, and faithfulness. It made me realize that true wealth lies in being content and faithful, and that health is the most precious gift of all. Remember, the wisdom of Buddha can guide us through life's challenges and help us find inner peace. Keep these quotes in your mind and let them inspire you to live a more mindful and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.